Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial from IT Army. Now this is tutorial number 9 and this is the most important tutorial. We're going to talk about formulas, and so let's get started. We can use Excel as a calculator, right? So let's try some calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So let's try addition. Let's try 6 plus 3, enter. No, it's not working. Let's try subtraction. 6 minus 3, 3rd June. What's happening? Let's try division. 6 divided by 3, 3rd June. What's happening? Let's try multiplication. 6 multiplied by 3. Nope. So nothing is working. So this is what you are seeing, that most of the guys, those who are starting working with Excel, they try all this stuff. Most of the guys, they start with this problem that they write some mathematical expression and it doesn't give you the result as expected. So the key concept of formulas is that all the formulas, they begin with equal sign. If you don't put, this thing is gonna happen, right? So if you want to perform addition, you start with equal sign and then you put your mathematical expression. So if I want to do addition, I will put 6 and shift with equal sign, that is plus, and 3 and enter, right? You get the result. So this time let's try with the formula bar. In the formula bar I type equal sign 6 minus 3. Now in the formula bar you're gonna see we have these two buttons get enabled when I'm typing the formula. One is cancel, that's equivalent to hitting escape key from the keyboard, and second one is enter, that is equivalent to pressing Control Enter from the keyboard. So I accept this formula and you get the result. Now let's try division. Same was the problem with division. When I was typing 6/3, it means 6 month, and that is June, and 3 was the date of that June, so it was taking 3rd June. So now I will be typing equals 6 divided by 3 and you get the result. Now in the last case, normally as you do with mathematics, you put X sign for multiplication. That is not the case with computers. In computers we use asterisk symbol for multiplication. So I can use equals 6 and asterisk symbol. If you don't know, you can press shift and 8 and you get asterisk. Multiplied by 3 and press enter key and you get the result. So these are the basic mathematical operators. So whenever you are using mathematical operator, in the cell you are getting the value, but the actual formula is still there. You can see in the formula bar. And in case if you want to modify this, you can just simply double click on the formula. It comes in edit mode, or you can edit the formula directly in the formula bar. So these are the different operators: plus, minus, multiplication and division. We also have one more operator called as exponentation. So if I want to make 2 raised to the power 3, I need to put 2 caret 3. So it is 2 raised to the power 3. So rather than saying 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, I can say 2 raised to the power 3. And again I forgot to put equal sign, so I have to put equals 2 raised to the power 3 and press enter key and you get the result 8. Okay, so over here I have the list of operators and they are in terms of precedence. So if you're writing in mathematical expression, so first of all the parenthesis gets solved. Now in Excel you can only use these round brackets for parenthesis. You cannot use square brackets or curly braces. Then we have caret used for exponentation, asterisk symbol for multiplication. They both have same priority. And then we have addition and subtraction. They also have same priority. Okay, so we have used the constants in our formula, but the best practice is to refer to a cell. So if I have to calculate the area, so if I have length of a rectangle and width of a rectangle, and now if I want to do the multiplication, I can say equals. And now I want to refer to these cells. So you know that each and every cell has got a name. So if you see, the name of this cell is B9, right? So I can type in over here B9 and you can see as soon as I type, that cell got highlighted. Multiplied by, and then the other option is you can simply click on that cell. I click on that cell and it puts B10 over there and I press enter key, right? So this is the way to refer the formula. Now the advantage of using this methodology is that in case in future if you make any changes to this one, if I make it 10, boom, the result gets updated. Okay, so let's try once more. We say equals to sign, and now this time I will not be using my mouse, I will be using the arrow keys. So I can use up arrow key, up arrow key. Now if you remember, in the previous videos I talked about the cell edit modes. By default the cell mode is ready. It could be edit or it could be enter. Now at this particular point you are seeing in the status bar it is showing point. It means your cell is in point mode. When your cell is in point mode, you can use arrow keys to move the reference up or down. So this is how we reference a cell. So once you are pointing to the cell that you want to get the data from, then we put the multiplication sign, and again I use one time up arrow key, and then I'm pointing to the second cell. So I'm length multiplied by width, and I'm done with the formula. I'll press enter key and I get the result. So this is how we work with formulas. We refer to the cell and we get the result. So that's all for now, and you need to practice. Just go online, look for a lot of formulas and try those formulas, more complex formulas, and practice a lot. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.